Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to extend RAM on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, knowing how to extend RAM on your device can help improve its performance, especially if you frequently use memory-intensive apps or multitask extensively. Well, it's not possible to physically add more RAM to most mobile devices. So how to do that? Let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, enter to the settings on your device. Well, so here you can scroll down till you find device care menu. Tap on it. Okay, next select memory option. After that, scroll a little bit and just RAM plus option. Okay, so here you will find some options and you can select one of them according to your needs. Okay, lastly, click restart here. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to extend RAM on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.